The A350 is the latest Airbus contribution to the competitive wide-body, long-range airliner market. The aircraft is intended as a direct competitor to the popular Boeing 777 and the newer, though troubled, Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Production of early form airframes began in 2010 with a first flight expected sometime in 2013. Barring developmental delays, committed airlines will begin receiving the product beginning in 2014, to which production is estimated to reach 592 units based on received orders to date. There are commitments from 35 total airline firms worldwide. The A350 was born from the Boeing 787 Dreamliner program announcement. Airbus was initially slow to react until customers required a competing type promising the savings of the advanced 787. With that, a modified version of the A330 emerged until enough changes were instituted that the aircraft was given its own company designation of A350. However, its most important customers were not impressed with the Airbus reaction to the Boeing offering and pushed Airbus to produce an all-new design incorporating the latest in available technologies. This resulted in a completed, reworked and refined A350 concept, which was eventually approved while delaying the A350 program considerably. Currently, the A350 will be marketed in 5 distinct production forms. The base airliner model will be the A350-800 with seating for up to 440 passengers in a 2 or 3 class seating arrangement. The longer A350-900 and proposed A350-900R will feature seating for up to 475 persons across a similar 2 or 3 class arrangement. The proposed A350-900F will be a dedicated freight hauler, while the A350-1000 will be an expanded, lengthened passenger airliner with seating for up to 550 persons across a 2 or 3 class seating structure. The A350-800 will sport a running length of 198.6 feet, while the A350-900, 900R and 900F will see a length reaching 219.5 feet. The A350-1000 will be the longest of the family line with a length of 242.4 feet. Internally, the A350 will sport a conventional airliner configuration. The flight deck is situated at the extreme front end of the vehicle and identified by the range of framed windows over the short, sloping nose assembly. Immediately aft of the flight deck is the passenger area, which is spanned along either fuselage side by windows. Under the passenger area is the cargo hold. The freighter version of the A350 will naturally do away with the passenger seating elements to promote increased internal volume for additional hold space. Externally, the arrangement will be conventional, featuring 2 swept-back main wings at amidships and a traditional tail unit sporting a single vertical tail fin and dihedral horizontal planes. The undercarriage will be of the tricycle arrangement, incorporating 2 main legs and a nose leg as standard. All A350 forms will showcase a wingspan of 213 feet and carbon fiber reinforced polymer construction throughout the wing assemblies and main fuselage. Power will be served through 2 Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines, which will be developed in 2 distinct forms, either outputting between 74,000 to 83,000 pounds of thrust or 97,000 pounds of thrust. Maximum speed is listed at 587 miles per hour with a cruise speed in the vicinity of 560 miles per hour. Range under load will reach from 5,000 nautical miles to 10,300 nautical miles depending on the variant in question. All will feature a service ceiling of approximately 43,000 feet. As with other modern Airbus airliner products, the A350 will field an all-glass digital cockpit with fly-by-wire controls. The instrument panel will be dominated by 6 LCD screens for both pilot and co-pilot. The data system will be fully updatable with changing technologies, which should make for a cost-effective investment in the long run.